Well, here we are at the mill. Big job on, big job on today, very important. Thought I'd better share this with you because I know this is possibly a historic moment. Historic moment, so without too much further ado, what gave it away? Go on. Can you see? Can you see down there? Not quite the Titanic, but let's go and have a look, shall we? Careful not to fall in the water. Don't fall in the water. Top tip. So, what we're going to do is, this incredible machine you see beside me, a two-seater, deluxe. There's not many of these about. Using this tool, better known as a guard make, we shall remove this offending object that you might have spotted on the vessel, causing serious disruption. So without any further ado, let's get it off without falling into the no, let's don't. No, no, she's coming. She's coming. There she goes. Oh no, it's dropping to bits. It's dropping. This actually this is actually that's a large oak tree, and this is a branch that's fallen off it onto the vessel, which could cause serious issue. Oh, it's fell in the water. Oh, sorry. It's fallen in the water, so job done. Job done. I have got it, but not really ideal. Don't want it blocking up the weir. Look at that. Yeah. That is the mill house. Can't tell you where it is, top secret location, but I can disclose somewhere in France. Yes, we'll need to do some more work here. More work required to get this vessel up and running, ready in time for its maiden voyage. I'm not doing very well with the camera here, am I? What? There she is. What a beauty! Now, the 0 to 60 time is a top secret. I can't tell you. You have to look at the manufacturer specifications, but this model is discontinued, unfortunately, because it was so fast. It was deemed to be dangerous, and people just weren't allowed to buy it because people were just drowning left, right, and centre, and they were causing mayhem. So, unfortunately, you can't buy that machine even if you wanted to, but it will be going on eBay at some point. Probably offers around 20 pence. Only kidding, can't sell it, not mine. Not mine. I can only dream of having such a vessel. So, yeah, here we are today. Not a lot of action on the lake today. A few ducks normally flying around, or even swimming occasionally. And behind me there, the little bridge over the rill. Shall we go and have a look at that? No. We'll look at that tomorrow. Tomorrow's a new day. So, yep. Now I've just got to try and get over this busy road without killing myself. Pretty tricky, but we'll give it a go. Okay, if I survive, there'll be a video tomorrow. And on that happy note, au revoir, my friend, au revoir. And problem is,